How to set up geolocation on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up geolocation on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores with ease, in which it is designed for users of all technical skill levels. That Shopify provides a user-friendly interface, customizable website templates, and a robust tools for selling products both online and in person. It also supports a varied sales channels including social media, marketplaces, and physical retail locations, all integrated into a single dashboard. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click start for free button right here. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage, where you can start navigating on the left side panel the option in here. However, to start adding or installing the geolocation in our Shopify, all we need to do is to simply click the Add Apps button on the left side panel. By clicking this one, it will show you on this pop-up window the Shopify App Store. By clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on the next window in here. And at this point, all you need to do is to go to the search bar and search geolocation. By searching geolocation app, you should be able to be directed in here, and it will show you all of the results. So you can start choosing here the geolocation for Shopify. But if you can see here the Shopify application of geolocation, just search geolocation Shopify app. And by searching that kind of context, it will show you in here this one, which is GLC, also known as geolocation, along with other Shopify application in here. So now to proceed, all we need to do is to simply click this GLC or geolocation by Shopify. By clicking on it, it will show you the option in here or the overview about this geolocation. In choosing this application, it offers a country selector, multi-language selector, and currency switcher. And below here, you have here the reviews with other customers already purchases or install in their Shopify in here. So now by clicking the install button to proceed, we will automatically be directed on the next tab in here. So now from here, all we need to do is to click the install button once again. Then you will automatically be directed in here. And all you need to do is to simply click the install button once again in order to successfully activate or setting up the GLC geolocation. And from here, just proceed by clicking the manage button in here to start setting up our account. By doing so, all we need to do is simply first select the language. I'm going to search here, aside from English, some other languages that you could also use as your target audience. Or these are basically some of the languages for your target audience that speak. We have here French, Chinese, Japanese, and many more. But at this point, I'm just going to search or look for Spanish by clicking this one, Spanish, in here. And also, over here, also it is Korean and Japanese. So all of these three, I'm going to click add to proceed. After adding successfully these three kind of languages, we can now start setting up the geolocation section on the left side panel. By clicking this geolocation option in here, all we need to do is simply set up by clicking or going to our app embed and click verify now once you've done activating your application in here. And to do that, all we need to do is simply go to our store by clicking view your store in here. By doing so, you will be directed on this page, and to start customizing this, just click customize theme button below. By doing so, you will automatically be directed on the page where you can start customizing your own website on Shopify. Where all we need to do it here, as you can see on this step, is to simply activate on the app embed. And to do that, just go on the left side panel and click the apps embed in here on the left side panel, which is this one. And click this one to turn on and click the save button once you're done activating the geolocation. And after activating it, you can now simply go back to this page and simply click verify now button to proceed. By doing so, you should be able to be directed in here or show you this option, the preview or what it looks like. You can turn on this geolocation to see what it looks like in here. On the right side panel, it will show us our store, or when a customer tries to visit our store, this is basically what they will see. And as you can see on the left side panel, we could also start customizing some other options including the title for the model content, the body, the label for ship to selection box, and many more. So you could also click the settings option if you are not yet selected your target market. By doing so, by clicking the settings, from here just click the markets option. And once done, from here just simply click create market to create this international market. By clicking the create market on the top right, from here all you need to do is simply enter here the international market and simply add the condition or select here all of the region that you prefer. Or alternatively, you can go back to this page and simply click this one to automatically create or add all of the countries in here as you can see. And once done, just click the save button to proceed. And as you can see, it is currently active at the moment. So once done creating or adding the market, we can now start using the geolocation. The customer will be able to simply manage to browse our website given their certain location. So from here, we can click this setup button right here to proceed to configure the geolocation, or go back in here and it will show us the preview in our geolocation website. It will show us in here a pop-up window to select the country, which is as we enter the new market in our settings. So basically, the customer can simply choose their preferred country they're in currently, and it will automatically set the location, and it will automatically also change the shipping fee depending on their location. You also have here to choose the language and also the currency for a certain country. But as you can see, the currency in here is only Philippine peso. But you can go back on this page to set up the other currency, but at this point you need to have at least another card of third-party apps that you need to pay to set up the currency formatting, or even check your setting to start adding a new currency in here. But at this point, it is also the same process of adding another market location. So basically, geolocation plays a crucial role in Shopify by enhancing the customer experience and boosting sales through personalization and localization. It allows store owners to automatically detect a visitor's location and display relevant content such as local currencies, languages, and shipping options. In which, by using this, it improves the trust and convenience, making customers more likely to complete a purchase. And geolocation also helps businesses to comply with the region's specific regulations and tax requirements. And additionally, by tailoring marketing efforts and product availability to different regions, Shopify merchants can effectively target global markets and increase the conversion rates. But overall, that is just basically how you can set up geolocation on Shopify. Thank you.